The biggest question that most content creators ask is that does shadowban do exist? The answer is yes. Shadowban does exist. And what is shadowban? This is where YouTube decides to punish you when you violate some of their YouTube community guidelines. Now, the worst thing about shadowban is that YouTube will never notify you, but you will begin to see signs like your videos aren't getting views, your videos won't be able to go viral, you will be uploading good content, but you are not seeing any good results. If you are uploading your videos and there's no subscribers, no views, or there's no any engagement, your channel might be shadow banned. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your channel is shadow banned and how you are going to fix it. My name is Maria. On my channel, I talk about YouTube strategies on how to grow on YouTube, and I share realistic ways you are going to blow up your channel and see massive growth.
I'm using my phone, so I want you to come here and search for your channel. I'm going to search for my channel. As you can see, it's already here on the search bar. When you get your channel name, type it here on the YouTube search bar as I've typed mine. Now, when the channel pops up and you see some of your videos, your channel is not shadow banned. As you can see, here is my channel. You see it? There's my channel. And you can also see some of my videos, right? But if you type your channel name and your videos never pops up, just know that your channel is under shadow ban. Or even if you search your channel and your channel name pops up but you can't see some of your videos, you can see your channel maybe, but you can't see some of your videos popping up. No popping videos, just know that your channel is under shadow ban. You can see even for my For You page, there are some of my videos here, right?
If you search for your channel and your channel name pops up, but you can't see any of your videos, just know that your channel might be under shadow ban. Now, these are some of the mistakes that can make your channel to be under shadow ban. If you are combining long form videos and short form videos. What do I mean by this? If you combine shorts and long form videos, it won't work out well for you. If you decide long form videos, go with the long form videos. Don't mix shorts with long form videos, right? Because any of this content, either your shorts will be under shadow ban or your long form videos will be under shadow ban. Another thing that can lead to your channel to be shadow banned is spamming. What do I mean by spamming? This is whereby most content creators come and self-promote themselves in the comment section. This is sub for sub, right? Sub for sub can make your channel to be under shadow ban, because YouTube can detect that you have subscribed to a channel and yet you're not going to watch. YouTube detects all those subscribers that you get from the Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups that you just sub for yourselves. And the worst thing about sub for sub is that when YouTube detects that you have done self-promotion, they are going to remove all your subscribers. Maybe you've got like 30 subscribers from people who have decided to subscribe on your channel under self-promotion. They'll remove like a half of it or maybe all of those subscribers that you have gotten, right? So just post your content, and even if you don't get views, subscribers, just be patient. Time will come, you'll be getting views, okay? Now, if your channel is going under shadow ban, just leave it for 28 days and YouTube will remove the shadow ban from your channel. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye.